guys, it's your boy Dominic, and in the last video, I solved this Rubik's Cube. Only one side, right? Okay, so if you want to watch it again, because the other one didn't really work if you asked and went out and buyed and stuff. This is like a month later, and I still have this Rubik's Cube, and it's still solved. This is my mom upstairs. Okay. I'm going to mix this up like this, okay? Go out to Vermeer, go in the Nike store, go in the Nike section, the new one, the new Nike section, and get the Rubik's Cube, add and stuff it, and bring your iPhone, iPod, iPad, whatever it is that you have that you're watching this on. And tell them to solve the white one with an I. Just the white one, or any one that you want to solve. But for me, I just did this on my own. This actually cost 50 cents to do, so it's kind of a waste of money. And they're $7 for I think one of these. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you what I started off with last video. It looks like a crystal in the middle of a white thing, okay? You fold it back to this. See these two? You can't do it, if you see it like this, twist it, like this. Any colors, you can go this way, whatever you want. But I'm going to go this way, twist down. It's like this, twist down. And it's like a cross basically in the middle of these whites, okay? You fold it around, you cross, and it should be like this. Cross should be like this. And then when you see these two up here and these two down here, you want to go 1, 2. And watch. 1, 2. See, it should be blue, orange, blue, white, orange, red, and then yellow, yellow, orange, red, white, oh my gosh, it looks like I'm colorblind. Yellow, orange, yellow. When you see that, if you look over here, you can see this 3 line. And when you come over here, you can see this 3 line. And when you come over here, you can see this 3 line. See that? That's kind of easy just to fold it. So I'm going to kind of mix it up again. Nah. I have to solve it again to make the eye. So I'm just like, oh, I solved it. Here, Mom, you want to watch something, a magic trick? You start off with it solved. No eye, right? There's no eye. These two need to be gone. You don't cut them off and throw the squares. You fold up. Just a regular line and just 2 other lines. Fold. And see this. Oh, that's my bunny. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you after this. Oh, wait. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. So then you get this, you solve down, and then you solve, and then you go down, this, up, then you, wait, where's the thing? Oh yeah, solve up, and then from here you solve up, until it's like this, remember? And I usually go like this. What the? Wait. Let me solve it back to the eye, okay? Oh yeah, and then you just find this, solve it like this, the top, and this. That's the hard way to do it. You be careful because you could lose track of your Rubik's Cube. Hey! And you're like, oh, let's check my YouTube. Okay, that's all for this video. Peace. Hope you liked. Dab on all the haters. Okay, so I'll show you my bunny in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now to my sister. Focus. Okay, it's focused. Okay, that's her Rubik's Cube. My bunny. Whoa, is he under the couch? Nope, he's over here. I'll show you. Hi Chandler. Hi Chandler. That's him. He's all black. Here, I'm black. I'm all black. And if you want to be like me, oh, Chandler.
Which is really what mine looks like.
Come here, Chandler. Wait, I'm gonna shut you guys down. Okay, wait. It's my floors. Here, come here, Chandler. We're gonna.
And you can find things.
Wait, Chandler. You want a carrot? Chandler, you want a carrot? He's really selfish, so that would be all for this video. Dabbing on the haters. If you ask someone and they say they don't like him and like me, is subscribe to my channel. I have 1 subscriber. Okay, so and say then if you go to school and they're in your school, just go behind them and dab on them haters. Okay, peace. See ya.